Objective 6, identify the parent acid base for a salt. Well, the first thing you have to realize, the parent is always one of the reactants because the salt is one of the products. So where did it come from on the reactant side is what they're asking. And they're asking specifically, what was the acid or the base on the reactant side? So that really isn't a very difficult question when they give you the full reaction. So AlCl3 is the salt that forms. So what's the parent acid? Well, the only acid over there, acid or base for that matter, is HCl. So that's my parent acid. And then on the second equation, where you have a neutralization, your salt is Na2SO4, so you have a parent acid and a parent base. In this case, your parent base is NaOH, and your parent acid is the H2SO4. And I'll just make those both red so you can see those are my answers. On the last one, my parent acid, again, NaCl is the salt, so the parent acid is going to have to be HCl because it's the only acid or base involved in the reaction. Sometimes they don't give you the equation. They will say something like, what would be the parent acid of NaNO3? Well, I know that acids are always hydrogen combined with a nonmetal. So NaNO3, the Na is a metal, so that's not going to be part of the parent acid, but the NO3 would be. So I have to think, what acid has NO3 in it? That would be nitric acid, or HNO3. Just like if I asked what's the parent base for NaCl, even without being shown an equation, I know that the base starts with a metal combined with hydroxide, OH, so since the metal in my salt is Na, it must have been NaOH that was the parent base.